Byayokyebwa ebi haba harimu ebitarikwikirizibwa omu bujubi nk'amaato make, obutimba, amarobo hamwe n'ebindi ebiba bikwasirwe okuruga aha babariya ebibatwire nibakozesa okujuba aha myaro etari emwe n'emwe aha nyanja ya George hamwe n'akazinga kyano okumara emyezi erikuhingura omuri 5.
We are yet to dispose of the impounded illegal fishing gears by banning. These ones here, they are worth 1,115,992,000 shillings. You can imagine that figure, how our people, they are investing their money wrongly.
Ebintu ebi tubikorektingire omu nyanja turwanisa obujubi kandi tubikorektingire kumara obwire bw'amezi 5 orw'okwezi kwa kubanza kutya okwezi kwa 5.
Okurugerera abaduumizi ab'ebikwekweto ebyokurwanisa enjuba embi nibashobora ngu okwosya ebintu ebi batiire orutambwe omu kworeka muranga omu kureetaho ebyenjuba nungi. Ekitongore ekya FPU kiriyo nikikora obunagatuutu okurwanisa ebyenjuba mbi barikushobora ngu ekizibu eki kitwire kinyangariize omurimo ogw'ebyobujubi omu ihanga. Arikuduumira ekitongore eki Lieutenant Colonel Mase Tukahirwe nashobora ngu ebikwekweto nyamwingi ebibakozire aha nyanja z'ihanga babasize kujandura n'okujunana abo abarikwenyigira omu njuba mbi hamwe n'emirimo y'obubariya erikuhenda ebiragiro.
It's okay. Thank you so much, Afande. Chairman.
Okwosya ebi kibasize kuba nikiheereza nk'ekyokurabura aha muntu weena arikwenda kukyegeramu okurugererwa Major Frank Kanzira arikuduumira ebikwekweto kandi abeire ajwekiire omuduumizi wa FPU Lieutenant Mase Tukahirwe.
We appeal, we as the FPU, we as enforcers, we appeal to the fishing community, we appeal to the fishing community to comply with what we tell them. We as enforcers, what we tell them, comply using good fishing methods.
Okurugererwa ntumwa y'omwembezi w'ihanga mu disitulikiti ya Kitagwenda omwami Charles Wagaba nashobora ku ebi byona ebyokiibwe nibiteekateekwa kwija kusindika akokureeberaho karungi ahari buri muntu weena omu by'obujubi kandi n'okureetaho amagara marungi aha nkumi n'enkumi z'abantu.
There's no question. If we get you, you go to prisons. Very straight. And I want to thank President Museveni for giving us guidelines. Guidelines. We are using guidelines from Muzei.
Evelyn Atweire ogu n'omukuru w'ebyobujubi aha disitulikiti ya Kitagwenda nashobora ngu okwata ebyenyanja ebirikwikirizibwa kyeyongiire ebicweka 85 wagerageranisa n'ebyenyanja ebyabire nibikwatwa enyumaho obu abarinda amaizi aba UPDF akabiina ka Fisheries Protection Unity FPU kabire katakasindikirwe okurinda enyanja z'ihanga.
But from the time we got the Fisheries Protection Unit or Fisheries Police, Fisheries Protection Unit to help us on enforcement, we realized a change in production. The catches increased because they were protecting the lake and promoting good fishing methods.
Nashaba ababariya mu disitulikiti egyo okuteekaho ebyemijubire emirungi okwehara okunyangarazibwa n'okuferwa ebintu byabo.
My appeal to the fishermen is to continue to use the correct fishing gears. It's not a punishment for them to use the legal methods. It is for our own benefit, for the sustainable use, so that our generation and the generation to come can find when the lake is there and can also benefit from the resource.
Omukugambaho n'abamwe mu bakuru b'entebe z'okubanza aha myaro etari emwe n'emwe basiimire ab'ekibiina kya Fisheries Protection Unity FPU ab'okukora obucweka ihembe okurwanisa ebyenjuba mbi ekibarikushobora ngo niko kabaare akatwire omu nkaito karikuteganisa ebyenjuba omu ihanga. Nibayimusa amaraka gabo nibagumizaamu n'okushaba gavumenti ku ehamya ebiragiro ebirikwomesereza abarukwatwa nibajuba kubi ngo hakiri bakomwe emyaka 5 n'okweyongera haiguru.
Gavumenti erete ekiragiro ky'okukoma n'obwerabe takyakiira kyokka bakwata omuntu asohere kubi bagende bamukome n'abantu barebereho.
Museveni abohereza obu yatuyambira akatwiririza hi FPU tukakoraga nayo mu mbereji kuri mutarizira ba FPU twakuba tacyayine cyenyanza cyona mu mizo
oko twargayo omyishengero ahabwishaza erigara west kandi orikwenda kwetsimba ahabwa meya w'ururembo rwambara